What's up, guys? How is everybody out there doing tonight? I hope everyone had a wonderful day today. It's time for random hobby pack opening round 53, and I figured this month I would just start the video out this way, where I took the picture of for the thumbnail. So we got playoff football 2021 for three, a couple Mosaic hobbies, three rookies and stars, four contenders 2021. Those are all those products for 2021. I got a half a box of Phoenix 2021. Let's see what happens there. I got some Phoenix H2. I got 4 packs of that. And I got some 2019 Contenders and 2019 Prizm. So some potential there. Oh, there's potential in everything. I got 2 packs of clearly Donruss and then 3 Mosaic No Huddle. So let's get to ripping. We're going to start right off away with... we're not going to start with the playoff right away. Yeah, we're going to start with the playoff. We're going to start with 2021 playoff. Let's see how this goes. I do like some of the inserts that they have in here. A lot of packs are like this, though, where you get just the base rookie and then the misprint card, or, well, they didn't do a very good job checking this one. Thunder and Lighting. Kittle and Ayuk. All right. Let's see. Tony G. Oh, this box was just chilling on the shelf at my LCS, so no idea what was left in this box or whatever, but Anthony Schwartz rookie wave. I do have David with me tonight.
Yep.
So he's on the lookout for David cards.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Third down, Jimmy Garoppolo out of 35. There's our first numbered card of this random hobby pack opening. Hopefully many, many more. Devontae Smith behind the numbers. All right. So that's it for playoff. I do want to mention, some of you guys had watched when my wife and I would do the Universal Yums videos. We're going to start doing them again, but not on this channel. She started her own channel. So I'll link that in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. Maybe I'll share the video tonight when we do it too. Phoenix H2. Let's see. Fitzpatrick, Gainwell, and Hot Routes DJ Moore. All right, Brady, Tucker, Galladay, Diami Brown, don't Diami Brown, and a Mac Jones rookie rising. Those are cool. See some laser. Metcalf, Osai, and this dude, red out of 285. I'm not even gonna go for it. I could probably sound it out, but ooh, is that gonna be a laser in the back? Yeah, sure is. Nice. Nick Bolton rookie and Matthew Stafford out of 285. Super Bowl champion Matthew Stafford, in fact. All right. Let's move on to... let's do Mosaic No Huddle. We got a few packs of these. It's looking for some low-numbered No Huddle parallels, obviously, but Jameson Crowder AFC No Huddle. Holly Marino, Chris Evans. Silver in here, it is Terry McLaurin. Terry McLaurin silver. Brady, Des Fitzpatrick. Ooh, did I get an auto? I did get an auto. Cowboy. A lot of these are like old school players. Let's see. Charles Haley, 4 out of 10. It's gold. Oh, dude, look at that thing. Charles Haley gold no huddle auto. Sheesh. That's sweet. Man, that's a cool looking card. Gold anything looks so good. Like gold Prizm, gold this, gold Mosaic, everything. But that's solid. 4 out of 10. Jeez. It's cool. Meta Mastery, Dan Fouts, no huddle. Devontae Smith, Jalen Camp. Well, that was solid. Sheesh. All right, cool. Let's see. Let's do 21 Contenders. I got 4 packs of this. Let's see here. Don't know what was left in the box. I'm not 100% sure. There could be absolutely nothing in here, but I don't know. That is the risk we take buying packs, you know. Jerry Jeudy, playoff ticket Tom Brady. Oh, there's a redemption. Well, I'm not going to get my hopes up because there's quite a few redemptions in Contenders that are like, eh. But then there's also some really, really good ones. All right. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Trey Lance. And final pack. I'm going to look at that redemption. I'm not going to wait till all the way to the end. You know I'm just as anxious as you guys are. I'll get another auto. Jonathan Cooper. Hanging with Mr. Cooper. Rookie ticket. All right. Najee Harris, Rookie of the Year Contender. Let's find out what this redemption is. Leave those cards open. No, hold on, I got to do this. There we go. Rookie ticket, 144. So it is J.C. Horn, card 144. It's not a David, huh? Nope, not a David. J.C. Horn. Got 2 autos out of those packs. That's pretty sweet. All right. Let's do this clearly Donruss. I split this box with my brother, so we'll see if I get the auto this time. Last time we split a box, he got a Matthew Stafford. I did get an insert, and it's Mac Jones. There's 1 insert per box. Mac Jones. Donruss 91. I wonder how short printed these things are, considering they're 1. Like the inserts are 1 per box. All right, things I wonder. All right, Gainwell and Jacob Harris on the rated rookies. The other pack. I think I got the auto. Haha, take that, Bobby. James Robinson. It's numbered. It's Amir Smith-Marset with ink. Out of 99. It's going to be the blue rated rookie. Man, that would have been... Imagine if that was the purple one. You can kind of see the blue. A little hard to pick up, but it's pretty sweet. Some of these numbered ones in clearly Donruss are awesome. The super short print ones. Tutu Atwell and Micah Parsons rated rookie. That's pretty sweet. Parsons is a beast. All right, let's take a break and do some 2019 stuff. Let's do Contenders 2019. Six cards in every pack. We got an auto right away. Marvell Tell the third. You guys, this is the first I'm hearing of this dude, to be completely honest. 75 out of 99. I don't know if he's still in the league, but a numbered Contenders auto nonetheless. Hill, Dalton, Winston. Okay. Pack 2. Marvell Tell, huh? Interesting. All right. Winning ticket. Ray Lewis. That one looked weird. I wasn't sure if that was an auto or not, or what that was. All right, let's see here. Legendary Tim Brown. So we got one auto out of our 3 packs. 2019 Contenders. Let's find out about Prizm 2019. I got 2 packs of that, so I think sometimes these are a little stuck together. A few years sitting in the packs, and these chromium cards tend to stick together a little bit. Washington, Greg Olson, Fuller, Lattimore. I don't know what we got in here. I think we just got a numbered Prizm. Kirk, Myles Garrett. What is it? Oh, it's a hyper. Darwin Thompson. Hyper rookie. These are out of 175, I believe. Yep, 111 out of 175. Josh Jacobs, rookie, and LJ Collier. All right. Let's see if we can pull something shorter printed than that one. Let's see. Or an auto. Although I'd almost rather have a short print Prizm of a decent player than an auto from Prizm, at least. This one is going to be a red wave. Leonard Williams, red wave. Out of 149. Ah, the next card. Oh, it brings back memories. It was 1 year too early. Going in on Phillip Rivers' replacement. Easton Stick and Noah Fant. All right, that was fun. Let's get back to this. We have Mosaic Hobby Phoenix. That's half a box of Phoenix and half a box of Rookies and Stars. All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna finish off with Rookies and Stars, believe it or not. We got a couple packs of Mosaic Hobby here, considering it's a random hobby pack opening.
Dad, after the Deshaun Watson, there's a Dave Montgomery.
Was there? Oh, did I miss David Montgomery? Oh yeah, you caught it. There you go, buddy. That's what you're here for. You're here to look, keep an eye out for Davids, right?
Yep.
All right, perfect. LaDainian Tomlinson, blue, out of 99. Rogers, silver. Blue chips, Trey Lance. Jefferson, Stairmaster, silver. Wilson, NFL debut. Herbert Stevenson. You were quick on that one because kind of flew past it, didn't I?
Nope.
All right, here we go. Zeke, Stafford. I'll pay more attention for David's. We didn't miss any other ones, right? I think you probably would have spoke up. Alexander, Mosaic, Penny Sewell, red. Randy Moss, and Overdrive, Dalvin Cook. It's going to be the base Overdrive. Parsons debut. Kyle Pitts, base rookie. All right, let's see. Phoenix is up next, and then Rookies and Stars to close us out. Let's see here. Najee Harris. This dude. And another this dude. This one's out of 125. Can you say his name for me?
I don't know how to.
Adetokunbo Gudeji. This dude is a lot easier, isn't it? Yeah. Matt Ryan. I like that. Myers, Davis Mills rookie. Oh, look at that. Boom, Davis Mills rookie. Put that in the sleeve pile. Aaron Donald orange. 45 out of 99. And Chase Claypool Hot Routes. Those Hot Routes cards look so clean. Kenny Galladay, Baker, Frank Darby, and we got an auto, I think. Frank Darby with the ink. Yep. Rookie auto, Frank Darby.
Frank Darby's in a row.
Yep. All right, Frank Darby auto. Stafford Flamethrowers. I don't know if there is any thick one. Maybe I got one thick one out of this half. Devontae Smith, base rookie. Khalil Herbert, maroon or red out of 250. Looks maroon to me. Daniel Jones, Flamethrowers. Oh, maybe we did actually. I think we might have done one thicker pack. Can't remember if this product has fillers though. Racy McMath. Oh, we got a yellow. Pat Freiermuth. 4 out of 75. I know it's Freiermuth, but it's just easier to say Freiermuth. Nice card. It totally looks gold. Apparently it's yellow, but totally looks gold. Looks really nice with the Steelers. Thielen Hot Routes. And final pack. Let's see. Chuba. Might be a jersey card. Elijah Moore out of 99. Oh, it's a ball patch auto. Rising rookie, Elijah Moore. This dude showed a lot of promise. So, see if he can continue doing well. Maybe the Jets will start winning. Zach Wilson, Heat Wave. All right, time down to our final product, Rookies and Stars. All right, let's see here. We got Jalen Phillips, auto. Out of 25. 20 out of 25. Nice. Solid. First round draft pick. Sweet. Caleb Farley. 99. Farley. Right?
Yeah.
Caleb Farley. All right. Dalvin Cook. Osa and Jalen Darden. All right, well, we got an auto. Let's see here. Galladay. True Blue out of 49, Azeez Ojulari. Or Ojulari. Oh, dude, nice. White Trey Lance, star-studded. That's cool. I know the whites are only numbered to 149, but it's 99 out of 149. But I think the whites look the cleanest out of any of the other parallels. So, especially with the Crusades. White Crusades look so good. All right. Landon Collins, Elijah Vera Tucker, Diami Brown. Don't Diami Brown. All right. Final pack. Last pack. Mojo? Question mark, question mark. Fireball, fireball. All right. Oh, we have a Crusade in here. Buda Baker out of 35. And Devontae Adams Crusade. That's going to be a base Crusade. Yeah, when the whole thing is white on these Crusades, all like where the chrome part is right now, looks so good. Trey Lance, Rookie Rush. Surtain, Quinn Miners, and Osai is going to close this one out. So, pretty fun break, you guys. It's always fun ripping a bunch of packs. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you all for watching. And guess what? We got a David card. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. I'll be back with another video soon.